In this video, we are unboxing the RLC510WA 5-megapixel Wi-Fi camera with person and vehicle detection, showing you how to install and set it up in minutes. When you open the box, you'll find your RLC510WA camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. RLC510WA camera is a powerful smart IP camera over 2.4 or 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi that can be easily installed inside and outside your house. Equipped with the advanced on-camera person-vehicle detection technology, it can effectively reduce unnecessary alarms and offer accurate detection. 5-megapixels Super HD lens enable the camera to record marvelous high-quality videos and show more hard-to-see details. 18 pieces infrared LEDs help to see still clear from up to 100 feet away after dark. Built-in mic for audio recording. Micro SD card socket supporting up to 256 gigabytes local storage. IP66 certified weatherproof for working perfectly, rain or shine. And the new added time-lapse feature for more stunning views. The network cable, the power port, and the reset button. Now, connect RLC510WA and initially set it up. First, power on your camera with a power adapter and connect the camera to the router's LAN port with an Ethernet cable. To set up the camera, open the Reolink app. Then, follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Now you can monitor your property with person and vehicle detection, smart playback, and other powerful features of RLC510WA. RLC510WA is easy to install facing your front door, backyard, driveway, or inside home in only 4 steps. Put the mounting template on the wall to help with the installation. Drill holes and screw the mount to the wall at the indicated locations. Then, turn the adjustment knob counterclockwise to adjust the camera viewing angle. Finally, tighten the adjustment knob clockwise to lock the camera in position. For a better image or video performance, please avoid facing the RLC510WA directly to sunlight or glass windows. Also, avoid mounting it in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using Reolink RLC510WA Wi-Fi camera with person and vehicle detection, visit support.reolink.com.